everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel. I'm a fashion reseller on Poshmark, and you can find me on Instagram and Poshmark at The Scott Cottage. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all something that I found on Instagram. This company reached out to me and asked if I would do a unboxing for them and a review on my channel. They are a subscription company called The Pink Box. And the products that come in their box are all for hair. So most of you know I am a licensed cosmetologist, and so I am passionate about anything that has to do with hair. So when they reached out and asked if I would just do an unboxing of their product, I was so excited. The stuff that I got in here is adorable, as you can see in these photos. So I did want to just hop on and share with you guys what I got. The box is $15 per month. I do have a code for 50% off your first box, so let me know if you want that code. Alrighty, let's go ahead and hop into it. So here it is. Kind of what it looks like. You can see I haven't opened it or anything. There we go. So real cute box, obviously, pink box, hair accessories. So let's see, they really taped this up. I'm really excited to see what's in here. Just started a new job in the salon, and so I'm excited to see what is in here that I can wear to the salon. Okay, let's see. Gosh, they really make sure that it is good and sealed. I'm gonna stab myself. Okay. Okay, I think that's got it. Yeah, okay, so here we go. Okay. Share with your friends. Let's see. Share with your friends. 50% off your first box. Code. Okay, so there's a code if you guys want 50% off of your first box. Okay. How cute. It says pink box. Hello, gorgeous. Toss your hair in a bun with scrunchie. Put on your favorite music and dance. That is so cute. So you can find them on Instagram. It says at pinkboxme. Cute. So here's kind of their information and their postcard. Oh, this is so cute. Look at how they have it wrapped. Thank you. Oh, VIP. Rachel. Congratulations, you are on our VIP. You will receive extra gifts and surprises in your box every month. We are happy to have you. Oh, how sweet. Look at the paper. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. See. Okay, these are like little papers. Follow us on Instagram. So it has like kind of all their information. Hello, we want to thank you for sharing your pink box. We are so excited to see your video. We've watched your videos and they are awesome. We hope that you like our classic box. We will send you all the links via email and Instagram. Please let us know if you would like to save and post your videos on the pink box with our pink box. We're happy to feature your channel on our website. Oh, that is so sweet, guys. Okay, there's 50% off your first box with that code there, guys. Okay, what do we got? Make it happen. Oh, these are cute, like just little, oh, they're stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. How cute are these? Okay, we've got some scrunchies. Let's see. I hope you guys are seeing this okay. Like, what is all in here? Let me see if I can, there. Okay. All right, so they're in these little bags. I do love scrunchies. Oh, those are nice. Wow, they're like velvet and they're very, very thick. Oh, these are so cute. So we have gray and then like this burgundy maroon wine color, which is like one of my favorite colors, especially in the fall. Those are really super nice. All right, here's another. Ooh, what are these? I think these are headbands. Oh, nope, let's see. Oh, these are so cute too. Look, they're scrunchies with a bow. This would look so cute with your hair half up, half down. So there's that. And here's another one. It's kind of that dusty Oh, my camera is not, there we go. Dusty pink rose color. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. So this one's gold and pink. And then I'll show you these again, just so that since the camera wasn't focusing as much earlier. There we go. Like, look at the texture on these. Oh my goodness, I love it already. Oh, a bath bomb. There's a bath bomb in here, I think. Let's see. These bags are even so cute. Oh no, this isn't. It feels like a bath bomb. Only together. Oh my goodness, what? Look at how cute. There we go. Look at that, only together, and it's a little globe. How adorable is that? That is so cute. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. I love this box. Already. Okay, we got a headband. Oh, look at the beading. There it goes. Look at the beading on it. Oh, this is so adorable. Like, there. Look at the beading and the detail. Oh, and it's so cute. It has these little felt tips so that it doesn't hurt behind your ear. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear this stuff. There's more. Can't believe it. Guys, I'm really liking this. Okay, so little like barrettes. Oh my goodness. Like, look at that. Oh, that is so precious. I am loving this. Okay, there's a little heart. That'll be good for Valentine's Day, I guess. Right? Adorable. Okay, there's more. Can't believe it. Keeps going. Oh, look. Look at these. Focus. There we go. Look at how cute these are. They're little clips. Oh my goodness. I'm going to wear these tomorrow. These are precious. Look. And they're little tiny. Oh my goodness. Okay. What's this? Oh, these are nifty. Wow. So hopefully you can kind of see the texture. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you can kind of see the texture, and it's ribbed. Very, very stretchy. So we have 2 of those there. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. I don't really think that that's what that's for, but I think this goes in your hair. Obviously, it's hair accessories. But you guys have seen where they put the hair in there and then they twist it and it makes like the ponytail. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's fur, and you can't really tell, but it's pink. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, I think this is the last piece. Okay, more of these. Oh, they're so nice. These are scrunchies, and they're kind of more of that like polyester feel, almost like a silk feel. So we have this kind of gray color, and then this pink, dusty pink. Okay, guys, these are so cute. So I got those 2. They sent me this really cute globe, the little snap fur hair piece. Got 2 little ponytail holders that are textured. We got these barrettes. These darling little things. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. These large scrunchies here. These smaller scrunchies, silver and pink. And then this headband. Guys, I love this. I want to know in the comments what you guys think. Don't forget about the 50% off coupon code. I'll definitely link that below for you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.